no, she has a school. Ah, careful. Ah. Three targets in a row. Three targets in a row. It's in a row.
If you're ready to have fun, then come and dance along with us as we welcome everyone to celebrate all things Minions. Oh, we have one. Very good. Okay, first, we're going to warm you up. We're going to have a little competition. So this side, you got group one. Can you give me a big wave? Nice. And this side, you got group two. Can you give me a big wave, group two? Very good. Okay, group one, in your biggest verses, I need you to show banana. After three. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think we can do better than that. Group one, 1, 2, 3. Very